You can now access 600 live channels. This gives you access to some of the best live content out there. It covers movies, sports, entertainment, news, and drama. All of your favorite live content can now be accessed in this application. It does not require any kind of registration. There are no usernames and no passwords. You get a fully working program guide so you know exactly what is on now and what is coming up next. With this latest update, they have just now added in so much more streaming content. They even added lots of video-on-demand content that you can go ahead and enjoy on all of your streaming devices. What we are talking about today is the new service Sling Free Stream. It has now been fully updated, giving you over 600 channels. These cover news, movies, and shows absolutely free. The great thing is they do not require you to have any kind of registration. Sling does offer various premium packages which range from about $30 to all the way up to $100 depending on what package you want. But what we are interested in today is their free tier. It is called Free Stream. You can see directly on their homepage you have this option to stream for free. I will jump over to my streaming device just to show you how the application looks. Let us click on that. You can see you get taken directly to the homepage. Here you can see some of the popular content recommended for you. You have live news and a streaming hub. You have got lots of different categories. There are must-see movies, featured shows, black entertainment, and crime TV. Let us just try this one for a second. Let us click on that. We can see some information about what the movie is. I can click on Watch Now. Literally, in less than 5 seconds, I will be streaming that movie directly on my device. We can see it has done exactly that. I did not see any kind of pop-ups or adverts. That has taken me straight in. Let us back out of that. This is more still on the homepage. Let us keep going down. Then you have got horror and comedy. Then here are some of the premium packages if you want to subscribe. But we are focused just on the free content. There are new arrivals and lots of great movies there. You have true crime and international categories, then you can browse by category. If I am only interested in sports, I can click on that. You can do the same for shows, movies, or kids content. Now, if I go right to the top, let us go to On Demand. Here we can see some of the video on demand content which covers movies, TV shows, and kids. Let us try with movies first. You can see pages and pages of content. Everything is properly categorized, so you can more or less start with one click. For example, we have got this movie here. Let us click on that. Click on Watch Now. Again, in a couple of seconds, we are now streaming that directly on my device. It really does work flawlessly. That is working great. I can even forward that a bit. Let us back out of that. You can now see some of the popular TV shows. You have got some bingeable TV, comedy TV, food, and travel. You can see it is not just one episode or one series. You can see here, we got access to all 15 seasons going way back. Let us try season 3 just to show you that it does go back. I can click on that. We are now streaming something from the past. This just proves that everything is working properly. It is working great. You really can go ahead and enjoy all of this amazing content. Let us back out of that. Let us go to the guide. This will now take you to the fully working program guide. You will see more than 600 channels depending on your location. You can now browse through a massive list of channels. These are all of the channels in the list. You have got everything from the news channels to sports channels and documentaries. Here, for example, is a popular show. Let us click on that just to show you that the channels are working properly as well. I will be blurring out the content. But again, you can see that is a fantastic high-definition picture. That is working straight away. Let us back out of that. You have got drama, entertainment, and comedy. Let us click on another one just to show you that it is not just one channel. Everything in here is working properly. You can see some people doing some crazy things. Now, if you do not want to go through a big list like this, you can always click on the categories at the top. Let us say you want to see sports channels. Let us click on that. This now filters out the 600 channels. I can now see all of those sports channels only. You can access all the content directly on the Free Stream website. There are also applications available for your Android TV devices and your streaming sticks. You really can go ahead and enjoy all of this content. Just make sure that you do have the correct IP address for your virtual location. As you can see on my screen, I am currently using a VPN to give me a virtual IP address. With that, I can go ahead and unlock and access all of this content. That is working absolutely fine. Let me now jump over to my main streaming device. To get this application on your devices, just head over to search. Click on that and let us now type in the word Sling. Let us click on that, and that is the application there. If for some reason you cannot see this in your main app store, I will have information ready for you. As I mentioned before, you do need to ensure that you are in the United States or you have an IP address from that virtual location. Right now on my device, I am using a VPN. This really is the easiest way you can change your virtual IP address. You can access geo-blocked content and really just protect your privacy. It helps you stay safe online. Covering your digital online fingerprint, which is your IP address, is important. A VPN really is the best way to do that. You can get total protection for all of your devices. All of your applications, your add-ons, your APKs, and your streaming apps can be covered. A good provider will also give you unlimited connections. What that means is it does not matter if you have got 3 streaming sticks, 10 Android TVs, or 2 laptops. All of those devices will be covered with a single license. You get blazing fast speed, so there is zero buffering. They also have a verified no logs policy, so they are not logging anything and they are not monitoring anything. You really can stay anonymous whilst using a VPN. You can access all of your favorite applications. All of your streaming applications can be unlocked by using a VPN. I do think using one is definitely worthwhile checking out. It really helps you enjoy all this content safely. If you want to keep up with the latest tutorials from Tech Vibes, then make sure to engage with this video. Please like the video, subscribe to the Tech Vibes channel. Drop a comment down below to let me know what you think. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.